Hey everybody, Mike here. This is my Jet 3/4 ton hoist that we use at work pretty much on a daily basis. I've had this one in my vehicle for probably pushing 4 or 5 years now, if I had to guess. We go through these about every 4 or 5 years. We'll start wearing these out, they'll break, they'll get lost, you know, something of that nature. Every time we get one of these new Jet hoists in, they always one-up themselves from the model previous. So this is a little bit older hoist. It's going to be due for an upgrade probably in the next year or two. This has got the 10-foot chain on it. This is a grade 80 chain. Your hooks on this are 360-degree swivel. Now you can see on these here, I'm starting to get a little bit of play in them. They're a little more stiff when you first get them. And on the clasp here, it's starting to bend on me. I've put this thing through the paces and I've beat it up pretty good. And really, in all honesty, it's really held up for as much use as I've put this through. On all these Jet hoists, they've got these clutch designs that they've installed on these over the years. If you look real close on this dial, it'll show you how much wear is on your clutch and whether it needs to be replaced or not. I found that to be pretty accurate over the years, and I've actually had to replace a few of them because the clutches have worn out. My understanding is these are rebuildable. My company doesn't see the value in being able to do something like that, so we usually just replace these hoists once they've reached that critical point. I've really always liked the grips on these Jet hoists. They're extremely comfortable to use. The 3/4 ton are pretty lightweight considering I'm a lineman by trade. When I first got into this gig, the hoists to me were always one of the more cumbersome part of the job to have to hoist and carry around. Over the years, they've gotten lighter, a lot more ergonomic to use. That's 100% the case when it comes to this here. I really do like these 3/4 ton hoists. They're good for just about anything. I've actually got one here on the farm that I've purchased as well, just because I love using these so much at work. Decided to go ahead and pick one up as well for the farm, just to have on hand, and it's come in handy on more than one occasion. That's all I got for you guys today. If you haven't checked out these hoists made by Jet, if you're in the market looking for a new hoist and you haven't checked these ones out made by Jet, I'd encourage you to do so. I've been extremely happy with these over the years. That's all I got for you today, guys. Hopefully you got a little bit out of this video. You guys have a good one.